Hello and welcome to Let's Learn Together. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install PyCharm Community Edition and how to make a multiplication check with Python. And the multiplication check will only tell you how many you got wrong and right at the end of the multiplication check. So the multiplication check only has 50 questions. So all you will need for this is either I think Windows or Ubuntu. You just need to have PyCharm installed. You can install it if you're using Ubuntu. You can install it from Ubuntu software. There's many editions. So PyCharm. There is PyCharm Community, PyCharm Professional, PyCharm EUD. Let's use this one. Maybe this one's more neat. No, actually we're using you should install PyCharm Community. Okay, once you've installed it, actually I'll give you some time to install it. Okay, let's get this ready. So it would show you something like this. So click on new project, create main py welcome script. Yeah, let's just do that. Create that. Attach to a new window. Okay, now it says, let's just fix this quickly before we start the video. It says press Ctrl F8 to toggle the breakpoint. Okay, so Ctrl F8, Ctrl F8, and okay, fix the problem. You see, so let's play down, see what it says. It says hi PyCharm. Okay, let's click on the right hand side of the main.py, the one that was already created. We're gonna click new. Now we're gonna click on Python file. Let's call it mu.py mu. Okay. Okay, once you've done that, it should look like this. So the code will be in the description below. In this video we're just using okay, so I pasted it in my browser. This is the code that we're using, and let's copy that code out, and there we go. Let's paste it right here. Okay, this will be in the description below, so you don't have to worry that much about it. Let's click play and see what it does. Click play. I don't think it's work. Okay, let's click terminal. I mean, terminal. Let's click play now. Oh, that's not working. Let's just delete that because main.py is there. We don't want that. It says process finished with exit code. I guess we're gonna have to use GPT. There's a small problem now. Actually, let's just paste this on main.py. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, now it's working. I think this one doesn't really work, so let's just delete it. Okay, so you click play and it will give you a multiplication check. So this is like another video of my multiplication checks, but with Python. And this one, let's see, click enter. There's a lot of questions, so if you click enter all the way, it says you answered 0 questions correctly, and got 50 questions wrong, because we clicked enter all the way through. So like just went all the way down to the very bottom because we clicked enter. So if you run this again, let's see, you click enter, there's 50 questions. The reason it says we got 0 questions correctly and 50 wrong because we didn't answer anything, we just kept clicking the enter. That's all for in this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe and do check out another channel that will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.